This is my Hot Wheels remote control helicopter, and today we're going to see just how well it flies. So this is the Hot Wheels helicopter that I bought for £20 from a local Tesco, so it wasn't very much, and I made a video reviewing it, which was 3 years ago. In this video I gave it a fly around my room, attacked myself with it, and crashed it many times. So yeah, apparently 3 years later I finally dug the thing out, and immediately there was a problem. The battery had completely died, so I took it apart, found another battery on eBay, ordered it, and when it finally came I soldered it in, connected it, and then it was time to spend hours putting it together because I had no idea how I took it apart and it just didn't seem to fit. So after many hours and fiddling about past, it was finally time to take it outside and give it a whirl. I'll turn this off again. We've still not got the front propellers. Well, that's what that wire was for. It's doing what this helicopter I bought from a jumble sale did now. Just spinning in circles. Wires detaching. Another common problem with this helicopter. It's just so... Oh, it's the bloody white one again! I soldered that on just now. It's always the white wire and the middle one of the receiver that come off. It's always those ones. So after repairing it again, I could finally test it. However, it's really weird how it works. This affects, like, what? We're meant to be like directly under it. Stop going that way, no! It does say it's crash proof, so we're going to thoroughly test that, I'm sure. Well, up. Up. There we go. Oh, no. Thing is, I had the toggle down as soon as it started going up, right? And it just kept flying. It clearly just doesn't get good enough signal. That's kind of now, isn't it? Really? I don't even see what tree it landed in. Of course it doesn't get signal now. That's ruined 2 videos, that thing has. Thanks, helicopter.
Problem is, this slightly caught it on the blue sky, and then after that point it just went dark.
I feel like I should have just taken it up the park in the big field, not in a tiny car park. In hindsight, that could have been my
I thought that's what you were originally planning on doing.
It was. Why does it just keep going backwards though? That's what I don't get. The helicopter flew straight into the light and then to the back rooms. We cannot believe just how this thing disappeared. We used binoculars in the trees, we looked day and night, I tried to light it up with a bright torch, a UV light to see if it would shine, we gingerly crossed into the field next door, we just could not find it. As for why the helicopter decided to just travel backwards constantly, I have no idea. The thing kept losing signal, it was just a complete pain. This helicopter was just rubbish. I was going to send it as high as I possibly could. Unfortunately, obviously I can't do that now. Why I decided to do it near trees, I don't know. Don't be me. Be smart. Let's face it, the thing wasn't that good and it was cheap. What's most unfortunate is the loss of my brand new battery and the content I could have filmed, and the fact it's kind of littering now. Who knows, maybe in autumn when all the leaves fall off the trees it will reappear. Kind of doubt that, but you know. This is my Hot Wheels remote control. This is my this. Well, it flies. No!